Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely cute, small, very easy to make cherry blossom flowers. You can find these templates in our shop. Use the direct link right under this video, and the template includes the flower itself and the flower center pot. If you have an electronic cutter, the files come in PDF, SVG, and Studio format, so you can cut these flowers, and especially centers. They are pretty tricky to cut with scissors. You can use the file which is suitable for your machine. Studio file for Cameo and CriCut file for SVG file for CriCut, or you can cut this flower using scissors and then go with alternative shapes or cinders. I'll show you how to do this. The process is absolutely easy. So what you do is just curl absolutely slightly every single petal this way. Here I use my chopstick. Alternatively, you can use an awl or a thin glue stick. With the flower center, I use awl most of the times, and again I curl it just slightly. Do not overdo it. For your convenience, these files in SVG and PDF, they come in two sizes. One is this, it is 4 inches or 10 centimeters, and the second size is 15 centimeters or 6 inches. And if you wish to make flowers in any other sizes, you can resize the images in your cutting machine software. If you cut with scissors, just set your printer and scale the image for printing for bigger or smaller size. So pretty easy. We're finished gluing this spider type of center, and we glue it this way. And that's it. So what to do if you have no cutting machine and cutting out the flower center is an issue for you? You can use different types of punches with the images with the images like this, and I use Sullivan's, and this one is Sullivan's too. And here's a bit different flower center. Easy. You can use your paper offcuts and cut this type of flower centers. How to glue them? Just squeeze all the stamens and just a tiny bit of glue, that much, into the center of our flower. That's it. Cute cherry blossoms. Get your templates, make your flowers, send your photos to our Instagram Paper Pro tutorials. Show them to